Oh, you came and tucked your way into my heart. Oh, you look at me in ways I never loved. With you, I know that this is all, so I don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. Think we've seen it all, just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional, just make the call, and I'll be yours. Don't need a miracle. Need a miracle. Oh, you open up a world behind stars. Oh, you make me see the things I never saw. With you, I know that this is all, so we don't need to take it slow. If you want me, then I believe that there's a simple remedy. We don't need no miracle. I think we've seen it all. Just make the call. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional. Just make the call, and I'll be yours. I'll come running over. We don't need no miracle. It's unconditional. Just make the call, and I'll be yours. We don't need a
Hello, beautiful people, and how are you doing? My name is Caroline Wamboy, and welcome back to this amazing channel. It has been long. I think I've not posted anything for the past 2 weeks due to unavoidable circumstances. Yeah, and I am back. Yeah, I'll try as much as possible to be consistent. Even though I'll not make it doing 2 videos a week, maybe I will do one for the time being. Yeah, so as the title of the video says, yeah, this is just some disaster cleaning. You can see how the kitchen looks like. It was very dirty and I needed to take care of it. Yeah, I've not been feeling well. Yeah, so when I get the little energy, I just decided to do the cleanup. Yeah, and to just do it very thoroughly. Yeah, so we are going to do the kitchen cleaning today, and I'll just ensure that every part of the kitchen is clean. Yeah, so just enjoy the video. I'll not be speaking so much. Yeah, and just get motivated to just clean up your space. I'd promised to do a zone cleaning and I'll finish up on it. We had already cleaned, I think, where did we start with? The bathroom. So this is the kitchen part. I'll do the living room part and end with the bedroom. I know by the time I'm finished, someone will have already gotten the motivation to just clean up their entire spaces. If you don't have the energy to clean the whole house, just do it in zones. Yeah, today you can clean the kitchen, tomorrow you can clean a bedroom, the other day you can clean that other space. Yeah, and you will be good to go. My kitchen is so small, as you can see, so I don't think I'll use up so much time. Actually, I just use a lot of time cleaning up the utensils. Yeah, because I had to remove everything from the rack, as you have seen, because everything was so dusty. We are back to the dusty season, and yeah.
One of us seems to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? How mine doesn't work like it used to. As I know I remain a danger to me, to you. Growing altered by the moment, dear. And as the days turn idle, sweet on survival. I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be saved without it. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. It's out of my control. You set the play in motion. Couldn't be a bigger ocean. Tell me, darling, is this what you want? Oh, and all you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping a disguise. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. So very clever, leaving me to wonder what you hide.
After I was done cleaning all the utensils, I took care of the cooker. I think you've seen that. I also cleaned my shelves and wiped everything that I normally place there. Yes, we don't have the closed cabinets. That's what we have in this kitchen. Yeah, and I also took care of that. Later, I also took care of the floors. And I think that was it with the cleaning. So watch to the end, and I'm sure you're picking some motivation on the same.
I'm trying to hide from the demons inside my mind. There's nowhere to go. No matter how hard I try, they show. I've tried a million different ways to leave. Oh my, why can't I not find the key? It's too dark, no one shows me how to see. No, I don't wanna fall too deep. No, I don't wanna fall too deep. No, I don't wanna fall too deep. No, I don't wanna fall too deep.
I think you can already see how squeezed the kitchen is, but I normally try my best to just get to every corner when I mean cleaning it. Yeah, because like behind that table a lot of dust normally accumulate, and I think you're going to see that that table just acts as a storage because I don't have any storage spaces in this kitchen. Yeah, that's where I place my extra gas cooker underneath. Yeah, it's just a squeezed kitchen, but I'll not complain much because that's what God has given me for now. Yeah, in case you have watched this video up to this point, allow me to say thank you. Thank you for your support, and may God bless you abundantly.
One of us seems to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want? How the mind doesn't work like it used to.
During the day I had been preparing some cereals, and I just decided to end this video by packing them for the fridge. Yeah, and guys, I'm grateful for your support. May God bless you. Let me see you in my next video. Bye.
I'm on fire, waiting your arrival. I never expect to be saying without it. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. Cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping up the skies. I'm swimming with the sharks.